I found a reason to stay alive. Try a little harder, see the other side. Talking to myself, too many sleepless nights, trying to find a meaning to this stupid life. I don't want your sympathy. Sometimes I don't know who to be. Hey, what you looking for? No one has the answer, they just want more. Hey, who's gonna make it right? This could be the first day of my life. So I found a reason to let it go. Tell you that I'm smiling, but I still need to grow. Will I find salvation in the arms of love? Will it stop me searching? Will it be enough? I don't want your sympathy. Sometimes I don't know who to be. Hey, what you looking for? No one has the answer, but you just want more. Hey, who's gonna make it right? This could be the first day of my life. The first time to really feel alive. The first time to break the chain.
back. It's time to face the facts that I'm the one that's got away. Lord knows that it will take another place, another time, another world, another life. Thank God I found the good in goodbye. I used to haunt you so bad, so through with that. 'Cause honestly, you turned out to be the thing I never. Oh, you turned out to be the thing I never. And I will always be the. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite